Welcome. In front of me is a Black Shark 4, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application. So for me it's right over here. Once you find it, you're going to tap on the three bars and go to Settings, where at the bottom you will find Import option. Select from SIM card, and this will select all the contacts that are on the SIM card. So if you don't want some of those contacts, you can simply tap on them to deselect it, and from there tap on the Import button, which will import all the selected contacts. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.